Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a monthly calendar in the Google Sheets. So if you want to create a calendar, you can just use the template from the Google Sheets. So go to the template gallery here and just scroll down until you find the calendar category. Okay, this one, the annual calendar. So you can so in here just click on the template and wait for it to be open. So you guys can see here that this is the monthly calendar. If you want to make some changes, you can just go to format and select theme. So let's go to format and click on theme. So here you can customize it, or you can just select from here. For example, I'm going to use this groovy color, or maybe calm. So just select the one that you like. If you're done, just close it. And in here you can change the date value by changing this formula into the one you want. So the current calendar is for 2024, but you can always customize it in here, customize your calendar. So this will be some explanation from the Google Sheets theme. You can just go to format and select theme, and here you can also choose from this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.